Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Some number from the John Hopkins University in America shows more than 5 million people dead from COVID-19 all over the world. Some number what the Jamaica Constabulary Force put out shows some murder gone up in the country by 10.4%. Mario Palacios, the man from Colombia who them claims to kill the Haitian President, tell the court him guilty for coming at the country the wrong way. Tajay Gayle, who did win gold in the long jump at the last World Championship, say him fast enough for run against the top sprinter them in the 100 meter. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Some number from the John Hopkins University in America shows more than 5 million people dead from COVID-19 all over the world. The pandemic did start 19 months back. Them say vaccination slow down the death rate, but them think more people dead from the virus. According to the World Health Organization, them think more people dead than what the record show. America lead the world with the amount of people dead from the virus, then Brazil, then India. Some number what the Jamaica Constabulary Force put out shows a murder gone up in the country by 10.5%. From January 1 to October 28, 1,179 people get killed in the country, when 1,068 killing gone when you look on the same time last year. Killing gone up the most in the Kingston Central Police Division with 62%, Westmoreland comes second with 60%, then Portland with 55%, Anova with 42%, and St. James with 33%. Mario Palacios, the man from Colombia, who them claims to kill the Haitian President, tell the court him guilty for coming out of the country the wrong way. Palacios go before the St. Andrew Parish Court and the judge charged him 10 grand. The police did hold on Palacios last month after them do an operation in central Jamaica. Interpol did put him name on the wanted list. Last week, Claude Joseph, or the foreign minister for Haiti, write to Jamaica and asked them to send him come over so him can face the court. 369,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine coming out of the country yesterday. The vaccine them come from Canada. According to the Ministry for Health, 204,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine are coming out of the country Wednesday, and them are going to use it for the people them who forget them second joke. Them say the rest were left are going to use for picnic between the age of 12 to 17. Some report come out say one man who did up on social media a drink blood from one goat head where it cut off get shot and killed Sunday night in a Discovery Bay St. Anne. The dead man a Tevin Grant, who people call Biggs, who come from Discovery Bay in a St. Anne. According to the police report, around 11 o'clock, Mr. Grant did there in a Gaza in a Discovery Bay when gunman shot him up in his house. Him dead on the spot. Now for sports. Tajay Gayle, who did win gold in the long jump at the last World Championship, seemed fast enough to run against the top sprinter them in the 100 meter. Stephen Francis, who the coach for MVP Track Club, said Gayle are going to take part in the long jump and the 100 meter next season. Him say Gayle fast enough to get one spot on the medal podium. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.